find the force that produces a pressure of 20 kilopascal. So pressure is given 20 kilopascal on an area of 0.2 meter square. तो देखो, when you see the numerical, when you read it, you should understand what is given. Kilopascal is the unit of pressure, means this is the pressure. Meter square is the unit of area, so this is area. What we have to find? Force. So let's see how to solve it. Given is pressure 20 kilopascal. So kilopascal का मतलब है 20,000 pascal, which we have seen in the previous numerical. Area is 0.2 meter square. We have to find the force. So pressure equals to force upon area. When you rearrange this force, as we have to find force will be equal to pressure. When area goes there, it becomes multiplication. So pressure into area. So force equals to pressure into area. Pressure is 20 kilopascal into area is 0.20 meter square. When you kilopascal convert into pascal, 20,000 pascal into 0.2 meter square. Pascal का मतलब भी है Newton per meter square. Why I have done this? To find the unit of force. So when you multiply this 20,000 Newton per meter square multiply by 0.20 meter square, you get the answer 4,000 and meter square cut हो जाता है, remains is Newton. So force का unit है Newton. So the answer of this is force equals to 4,000 Newton. Let's see the next numerical. Calculate the area of a body which experiences a pressure of 60 kilopascal. So again here pressure is given by a force of 12,000 Newton. So force is given and pressure is given. We have to calculate the area. So how to solve this? Given is pressure 60 kilopascal. Force is 12,000 Newton. We have to find area. So pressure equals to force upon area. We have to find area. So area, when it goes here, pressure comes down. So area equals to force upon pressure. Force is 12,000 Newton. So 12,000 Newton and pressure is 60 kilopascal. Kilopascal को हम pascal में convert करेंगे. So 12,000 divided by 60,000. Kilo means 3 zeros. So 60,000 Newton per meter square. Pascal is Newton per meter square. Newton cancel हो गया. These 3 zeros get cancelled. So remain is 12 ones are 12. 12 5s are 60. So 1 upon 5. When you divide 1 upon 5 and here this Newton per meter square numerator जब ये ऊपर में जाता है तो it becomes meter square. So area is 1 upon 5, that is 0.2 meter square. So this is how you have to calculate by properly writing in the proper format and using proper formula, and unit is very, very important. Let's see next numerical now. A block of weight 100 Newton and dimensions are given 50 centimeter by 30 centimeter by 10 centimeter. See here it is in centimeter. We have to convert into SI unit, that is meter. So एक block है, it rests on a table in 3 different positions with its base. तो पहले जब रखा था तो उसका बेस का डायमेंशन था 50 सेंटीमीटर बाय 30 सेंटीमीटर, सेकेंड टाइम 30 by 10 and third 50 by 10. Calculate the pressure exerted in each case. So please understand it well now. What is the numerical? So what is given? Work done, weight is given of the block 100 Newton, that is force. Okay. The dimensions of it is 50 centimeter by 30 centimeter by 10 centimeter. We have to find the pressure in each case. Each case का मतलब जब ब्लॉक ऐसे रखा था तो उसका बेस का पहले डायमेंशंस क्या था? 50 centimeter by 30 centimeter. So when the block rests with a base 50 centimeter by 30 centimeter. So why this 50 and 30 is important? Because we have to find area. क्योंकि हमें pressure का formula है force upon area. We don't know area. Only the length is given. Now length into breadth. Area का formula है length into breadth. So length is 50, breadth is 30. So 1500 centimeter square. Now this is in centimeter square. Convert into meter square. So how to convert? 15 centimeter square है ये. So square का मतलब है one quantity into other. Same quantity का multiply by same quantity is square. So here 15 centimeter square को अगर मीटर में करना है तो divided by 100 into 100. Why double times 100? Because this is area. 2 times we have multiply. अगर ये हम centimeter, this centimeter will, if we convert into meter, and this centimeter convert into meter. So therefore 100 into 100, it comes out to be 0.15 meter square. So pressure is force upon area. Force is 100 Newton. Divided by area is 0.15 meter square. It comes out to be 666.66 Pascal, that is Newton per meter square. Okay. Second time, the block rests with a base on the table of 30 centimeter by 10 centimeter. तो कितना एरिया इसका फाइंड करना है, बिकॉज प्रेशर विल बी अप्लाइड बाय दिस बेस 30 by 100 सेंटीमीटर एरिया का. सो एरिया इज 30 सेंटीमीटर इंटू 10 सेंटीमीटर, सो 300 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. कन्वर्ट इंटू मीटर स्क्वायर, अगेन डिवाइड बाय 100 इंटू 100, क्योंकि उसको मीटर स्क्वायर में करना है. सो 300 डिवाइड बाय 100 इंटू 100 कम्स आउट टू बी 0.03 मीटर स्क्वायर. Pressure is force upon area. Force is 100 Newton, which we have seen here, force 100 Newton. Area is 0.03 meter square. So it comes out to be 33.3 Pascal. Okay. That is 3,333.3 Pascal. That is Newton per meter square. Third time, the base which is kept has the dimension 50 centimeter by 10 centimeter. जो base है 50 centimeter by 10 centimeter. So 50 by 10 मतलब area will be 50 centimeter by 10, 500 centimeter square. Divide by 100 into 100, it comes out to be 0.05 meter square. Pressure is force upon area. So 100 divided by 0.05, it comes out to be 2000 Pascal. Okay, it comes out to be 12,000 Pascal, that is Newton per meter square. So please see, such type of numericals will be asked with base, different base which is resting. So we have to find area first. Area कैसे find करते हैं? Length into breadth. Okay. So this way, and don't forget to convert into meter square. मीटर स्क्वायर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए डिवाइड बाय 100 into 100. Only twice we have to divide, not only one times. Okay. Let's see next numerical now. If a girl is wearing a pointed heel which has an area of cross section 2 centimeter square, and if her mass is 650 Newton, find out the pressure exerted by her on the floor. Remember to calculate for both legs. Okay. तो एक लेग का एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन 2 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर है. सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर को वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इनटू मीटर स्क्वायर, और उसको मास कितना है, मतलब वेट और फोर्स कितना अप्लाई हो रहा है, 650 न्यूटन. So how to calculate this? Let's see. See, the area is 2 centimeter square. So 2 सेंटीमीटर को मीटर में करने के लिए, स्क्वायर करने में 100 by 100 से डिवाइड करो. सो 2 डिवाइड बाय 100 into 100, it comes out 0.0002 मीटर स्क्वायर. दिस इज फॉर वन लेग, एरिया ऑफ सैंडल ऑफ वन लेग. दोनों लेग का लेना होगा तो वी हैव टू एड इट, बिकॉज वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट प्रेशर विल बी अप्लाइड बाय हर बोथ लेग्स, नॉट ओनली वन लेग. ओके. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड प्रेशर. प्रेशर इज फोर्स अपॉन एरिया फॉर बोथ लेग्स. Force is 650 Newton. Okay, her mass is 650 Newton. Area will be, one leg is 0.0002. तो दोनों का होगा तो ऐड करना है 0.002 प्लस 0.002. 650 डिवाइड बाय 0.0004. When you divide it, it comes out to be 1625,000 Pascal. ये 1000 को अगर कन्वर्ट करें तो it will be 1625 किलो Pascal. Okay. So please don't forget to take for both the legs, not only for one leg. Okay. Then let's see the next numerical now, the last one. Office safe has a weight of 800 Newton. If the area of the base is 1.25 meter square, what is the pressure on the floor of the office? Okay. So what is given? Weight is 800 Newton. That will be the force. Area is 1.25 meter square. Find the pressure. So pressure is force upon area. Force is 800 Newton. Area is 1.25. No need of conversion because both are in SI unit. So 1.25. The pressure comes out to be 640 Pascal. I'll send the PDF of all these numericals. Please keep this PDF and try to solve it as a homework in your notebook so that you will have this for your exam time when you have to practice or revise the numericals. Thank you and have a nice day. Solve the assignment and the Google test.